So this is the Xiaomi 14 and Xiaomi 14 Pro, the highest-end flagship from Xiaomi with Qualcomm's latest 8 Gen 3 chipset, near borderless front display and amazingly powerful cameras. So the Xiaomi 14 got a small form factor with 1.5K resolution and not 1080p. There's 120Hz refresh rate and max out 3000 nits of peak brightness. So no doubt that's an amazing display. The Xiaomi 14 Pro got 2K resolution, is tall, no too less top, side and chin, but this all with subtle curve edge finish which look fantastic. Me, I love curved displays, so this one is for me. Now there's boxy frame finish in both these devices, leather finish with pink color option, and rest of all are glossy and matte, which does look great. There's a squarish camera module on the rear which contains some powerful sensors, and no doubt both these devices can shoot fantastic photos from the front selfie shooter and from the rear cameras as well. Yes guys, the front selfie cam does support shooting videos at 4K 60 frame, which is something we all wanted to see from Xiaomi, and here it is. Some official camera samples shot using the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro, and no doubt Sony sensor plus Leica color science is doing wonders in there. The highlight of this device is it is the first phone to have Qualcomm latest 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is very powerful, and by powerful I mean 30% faster CPU than the 8 Gen 2, 25% faster GPU and 98% fast hexagon NPU. They say it is 10 to 20% power efficient and doesn't heat much. The interesting part is this silicon supports Unreal Engine 5 Lumen and got better ray tracing. So in terms of gaming, this might give a tough fight to the A17 Pro. The Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 is still based on 4nm TSMC process and got single Cortex X4, 5 Cortex A720 and 2 Cortex A520. This all with HyperOS icing on top, which is similar to MIUI, a different name, different approach. So as is lock screen customization, we can choose from different font, colors, styles, and this even got depth effect both on clock and signature, which is way better than what we have in the iOS 17. The overall UI may look similar to MIUI, but there are some small changes here and there. You guys can watch my HyperOS video to know more about the UI changes, but overall I like the UI a lot. The small Xiaomi 14 got 4610 mAh battery with 90 watts fast wired and 50 watts wireless charging. Xiaomi's 14 Pro has slight large 4880 mAh battery. Some other specs are IP68, fast storage and USB 3.2 with better heat dissipation system. So fantastic devices. The Xiaomi 14 starts at 3,999 yuan, the Xiaomi 14 Pro from 4,999 yuan, and there's a special edition Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium which starts at 6,499 yuan. So this is a steal deal, but make sure to watch my speed test and battery test coming soon before making any decision. This all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.
你们感觉都是什么？